Hello friends, welcome once again. Today we are going to talk about a new tool using video editor developed by Icecream. Its name is Filter. So how to work that? So let's create new project. Let's drag one video here. Let's drag to timeline, and after that we can see here. I want to suppose we want to apply some filters. We have to click here. So there are many filtering technique here. So like sepia we can apply here, so you can see the color it has been changed. Vintage, so we can change here. If you don't want to apply, then just uncheck it. If you want to apply, then it's a click it. If not, then undo it. Similarly, green isolation you want to apply, if not it's okay. So this is how you can change it. So after doing click done, then click play button. Actually we can see the video, actually because of that filter we need to apply that. So this is how we can do here, and nothing more is here. uh, Thank you guys. Once again, next video we'll be talking about new tool that is split. Till then, uh, goodbye, thank you, and take care.